Thank you, Madam Speaker. Exam is truly measure only the memory of student, not learning. Madam Speaker, many students, when they had passed the promotion exam and then they study the next class, when someone is asking question about what they learned in the previous class, many students fail to answer. And sadly to know, Madam, though they get good marks in the previous year, many fail to answer because exam it touches only from the surface, not from the depth. And if it touches only from the surface, not from the depth, this show that exam truly measure only the memory of student, not learning. Then, Madam Speaker, what we learn in subjects in school like health education, environmental education, and Jingsneng-Temen and so on, we never practice, we never do in our day-to-day life because exam truly measure the memory of student not learning. I remember one day Madam Principal told us that many of our Gobrun boys, they went for Unison near Senior College. Why? Because we in the exam, we are like the heroes. In day-to-day life, we are like zeros because we never practice what we learn in our school. Madam Speaker, many students before exam, they just memorize, they just learn by hand many things, all the things from the books. And sadly to know that they just learn by heart, not only for the answer, but also for the question. And when during exam, the same question came, only 10% wasted the same question. Many never answer that question because learning has not taken place in exam. Then, Madam Speaker, question in the exam mostly exactly from the book. So, if all question was exactly from the book, this show that only those who memorize, who learn by hand all the things, appear and get good marks in the exam, which show that exam truly measure only the memory of student not learning. Then, Madam Speaker, before exam, we all know that many teachers, they always don't suggest, read this question, read that question, surely it will come for your exam. And this show that exam truly measure only the memory of student not learning. Thank you.